Hi, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes, and welcome if you're new. So glad you guys are joining me today. Today I am going to decorate my bedroom for Christmas. I am just full force here with Christmas and the rest of the house, but I just wanted to be able to create a beautiful sanctuary for me in the evening when I can just relax from the day. And so I went ahead and chose this as the next room to go ahead and complete. So I am just going to get started.
Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day. The joyful times we witness forever stays with us.
I think it's usually easier, especially in a smaller room with a smaller tree. I go ahead and start with the tree first. This is a new tree this year. I got it at Hobby Lobby. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And I think it was the YY was the lettering on it. I think that's it. Anyhow, I wanted to choose a flocked tree for my room just to give it that cozy, cabiny feel. The gold one that I had last year, I am going to put that in my granddaughter's room at her house. It's all princessy and pinks and beautiful, and I think it will be, gorgeous in her room. So I'm going to go ahead and move that over there. And so I just went ahead and just changed up some of my decor. Everything that I purchased was from Hobby Lobby. All the new tree ornaments and all that. So I just started with the tree, and I think it turned out beautiful. I also got some new sheets this year, some flannel sheets. They're a red and white pinstriped. They are Threshold brand from Target. So they are super, super soft, and I just love that touch for the winter time. I did also get a new sign for over my bed, just to give it just a more country vibe and cozy, and just a few little, random decorations that I picked up and put around the room to just kind of change the feel and the look. And I'm just loving it. I think it just is a gorgeous look at just, in the end of the day, it's just a wonderful place to just relax.
So Rudolph hears his whistle and gathers all his friends. When Santa and his missus wraps the final gift, you know it's time for Christmas for each and every one. Then you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. And then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. And then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We'll stand under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day. light up a fire, gather friends and family, have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV, wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town. I'm not one of them, the three wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are. If you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came to life. I'm waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town. Gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young, I hear sleigh bells in the snow. Holding on to a bunch of reindeer, he'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town, when the Christmas spirit's all over town, when the Christmas spirit's all over town.
Well, thank you so very much for taking your time. I do not take that for granted, that you're taking time out of your busy day to watch a video of mine. I hope that I gave you some inspiration, some good ideas, maybe an idea to decorate your room if you have not done that before. And I just hope you enjoyed it, even if you just sat back and just enjoyed. Again, always remember, no matter what the size of your home, even if it's just a few little decorations in a room, just make it your best home. Feel happy in it. If you're not happy with it, then don't do that. But, just make your home and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.